If you love fabric bundles that already work together and are ready to use, keep watching. This espresso and cream 5-piece fabric bundle of 8 by 10-inch cuts gets more textured and more interesting as the reveal goes on. It includes a herringbone chenille. This is a medium to heavier weight fabric. Has a felt bagging. It is a soft fabric though. See the texture, nice texture on that weave. Okay. This is in a cream color, and it pairs really nicely with this satiny twill fabric. Kind of has a brushed feel to it. Okay, just a different texture. You know, definitely looks nice in a bundle next to each other. And these three pair really nicely with this espresso brown and ivory and beige cream colors weave. Like I said, this is a cotton silk blend. Look at the variation in the weaves there, the textures. Okay. See how that looks next to these. Okay. Just building out this bundle. Nice 3 textures there. Now this piece is a lighter weight cream color. This is a raw 100% silk. And you have the different variations in the texture as is normal with raw silk. The weave right there. I think there's, okay, see it? Same on the back as it is on the front. Let's put this with our pieces. Let's put this in between so we can see the contrast of colors and textures. Okay. And the last piece here, this is 100% linen. It's a lighter weight, but it's not a handkerchief linen. And this is an espresso brown. And as most linens, same on the front and back. Either side will work. And that's going to complete this bundle. You see how well those play together. All those different textures, but all in the neutral colors and neutral tones, ready for your next project. If you like this palette, the link is in the description below.